Hey, I couldn't find anything to eat. The kitchen's pretty cleaned out. Oh shoot, I left my bag. I brought you this.
How are you holding up?
I'm... well, I'm just happy you're okay. Are you okay? I'm sorry, I just asked you that.
It's okay.
So I need to be careful with both Ryan and Dylan.
What happened to the lights?
Not sure. Any better?
I'm doing okay. Kinda.
He's gonna turn into a werewolf and we're gonna have to kill him.
Wait, are they going to the radio hut?
Phone's dead. They're gonna try to send out an SOS or something. We're holding down the fort.
I thought you said Dylan and Ryan already left.
They're on the roof.
Stay here. I'll check it out.
Oh my god, I hate this! Girly, no! Daddy! So the cop could be a werewolf. Girl, be careful. Girl, be careful.
Blood 'em. And keep me posted, Bobby.
Blood 'em. What would they need the blood for? Oh my god. Oh my god, I hate it here. Oh, I thought I did it right. Oh no, I did it wrong. Oh no, I did it wrong. I did it wrong.
Hey, so this may not be like the best time per se, but like...
What?
Like now that summer's over and, you know, is that like the last time we're gonna see each other, you know?
Sorry, Nick, what are you saying?
Hey, I'm kind of pouring my heart out here.
Nick, I'm sorry. Can we talk about this later? I'm really freaked out. It's just not a good time.
You're hard to read.
Wait, what?
You're not even listening, are you?
No, I
Wow.
Yeah.
Didn't think I was that boring.
gosh, you're hurt. I just want to make sure we're safe, okay?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
What happened? Jesus, where's the gun?
We gotta get out.
No, we have to hide.
Quick.
He clearly can't see anything. Oh. Oh. I can't tell if I failed the event or not.
Oh, you're mine.
She's mine!
What? Oh my god, look at him! Look at him! Look at his face! He's changing. Did I do it incorrect? Literally, I'm so confused about these events, if they're right or not. This twink is so cute.
This place is kind of a dump, huh?
Okay, when I was a camper here, it was barely working. It hadn't been used for years, and it took me a really long time, actually, to get this place cleaned up and looking the way it is. So, I'm sorry if it's not up to your standards, but I've been putting in a lot of TLC.
Okay. Okay.
Let me get this set up. Alright.
So now's their attempt to get in touch with the Popo.
Anything over here we can use?
The power tools? No. that's Mr. H wanted more storage, so it's kind of how he lets me keep the station going.
He kind of looks like Evan Peters from that profile shot.
So, how far does it go?
Oh, well, it was designed just to broadcast to the PAs around camp for announcements and to, you know, portable radios and whatever. So, I think the range is about a mile.
Great.
How do you even know all this stuff?
Well, if you like, I could show you the ropes.
Like a class?
Yeah, it's easy. Like climbing.
Sign me up, teach.
If these gays die.
Anyways, this
Well,
thing's
I guess
gonna
we
need a
don't
bit of a
know.
power up.
We don't know Ryan's
That's what it's
sexuality right now.
So what should I say?
Just like make it sound urgent.
Okay.
Just a little bit urgent. We're kind of getting attacked by vampires.
Hello, how's it going out there? This
Vampire
is,
werewolves?
We need help. This is, we are counselors at Hackett's Quarry Summer Camp, and there's been a horrible accident, attack, some stuff bad here. We need your help. There is a swarm of bears, and they are everywhere, and there's these hunters too, and they seem to be shooting at the bears, but also at us, which is not good, and a few of our friends are hurt, and we are in desperate need of help, so please, I mean, there's vicious bears, and we don't know what to do, so please come help us. SOS. This is an emergency. Save our shit. Come on down, please help us.
Did I do good? Is that
Swarm of bears?
yeah?
Herd of bears.
Yeah, I've heard of bears.
Oh my god.
Alright, I guess I should just like switch this over to the receiver and see if we get anything
Yeah,
back.
okay, yeah. I'm gonna keep an eye out. while you do all
Vicious,
this techie stuff.
horrible bears.
Okay,
Please
yeah,
don't go
check.
outside. Don't go outside. Please don't. Stay in here with me.
Check it.
I got a ping on the radio, but no response. I'm gonna head to
Wait, did he say lodge?
the other counselor.
I don't know. Hold on.
2 males in the radio shack near the cabins. Another couple unaccounted for.
That's the old guy.
Copy that. Out.
Holy shit, they're talking about us. How?
Because we just told them on the fucking radio. Fuck.
Y'all,
They know where we are, man.
We can't stay here.
we have to stay here. We can't go outside.
Let's
There's a werewolf outside.
Let's go find Caitlin and everybody, okay?
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Oh my god, not like this. Don't go outside! Don't go outside!
Why didn't you tell me that there's something out there?
I wasn't sure, man.
Fuck, what the fuck was that?
I have no idea.
Y'all, I'm gonna die. It's on the roof. It's on the roof. Do we have to hold our breath again? Please don't make me do it. I lost it 3 times.
Bears can jump like that.
Fuck. What?
Caitlin, Abby, and Nick, they're coming up the path.
Oh shit.
They're coming toward us. We gotta warn them. What about the PA?
Up top? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we can tell them to hide or something.
Oh, fuck, no.
Oh shit.
Oh, fuck.
Hold the button.
Caitlin, get into a building now.
fuck.
Do not come up here. There's an animal outside the radio hut. Just get into a cabin now. Go!
We opened that door. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Fuck, dude.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. We're in trouble, we're in trouble, we're in trouble, we're in trouble. See, I'm glad that we kicked that open though. If we hadn't, they wouldn't have been able to go in anywhere.
Okay, is there anything we can do?
I don't know. I don't know.
It's just an animal, right? I mean, maybe we can scare it off?
There's something missing. What's missing?
Hurry up.
Oh crap! It pulled the wire.
Oh my
Fix
god.
it. I'll cover you.
Oh my god.
Do it now. Go, quickly. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do?
Oh, fucking spreading. You have to cut it off. Cut it off. Cut it off.
Are you sure?
Yes, fucking do it. Fucking do it.
He would pass
Get the wire,
out.
get the wire.
What?
Get the wire.
He would pass out.
Can't get it.
On it.
Oh my
Play it into the
god.
Keep pressure on us. What do I do? What do I do?
The button. The button. Oh, we blew the speaker.
It did the trick. Nice work, Dylan.
Oh, fuck my hand.
Right. Okay. Just hold on.
How'd you do that?
You told me to.
Oh, it was a bad idea.
Now he realized it was a bad idea. Maybe we shouldn't have done it. Oh my god.
What the hell was going on? Oh my god! Dylan, what happened?
Oh, I'm okay. I mean, I'm not. But it doesn't hurt.
Okay, you're in shock. Holy fucking shit. Did that thing do this?
No. Well, sort of. Caitlin, where's your gun?
I lost it. One of the friendly locals wanted to say hi.
What the fuck?
Did she shoot at us?
Who's this bitch?
Who's there?
Who was she?
Should we follow her? Oh shit, Dylan, what is that? Oh my god.
Was that Emma? Who was that?
Looks like that's one less vermin in the world. Let's take a look once more. The devil. Without restrictions, like a shadow torn from one's corporeal form. Pay close attention and act before the demons unleashed. Each of us have one. Even those who are pure of heart and say their prayers by night. We spend so much time looking toward the future. It's easy to forget that the past holds secrets too. Worth remembering that. So it's goodbye again. I'll be here. I'll wait for you.
That was Nick. That was Nick's head that got cut off. Wasn't it?